Hello, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 35. Today's all about hair repair and growing your hair thicker and longer. So it's a kind of important to take a step back and really truly understand the reflections that are in line with, the sacred geometry, the violet flame decrees, and ultimately the body geometry. Einstein, probably about 70, almost 80 years ago, said it perfectly that you can have anything you want as long as you match the frequency of it. And the frequency is obviously energy. I'm of the belief that we're all made up of energy and that energy is all interconnected. And when you raise your vibration to match that frequency, that octave, that line, magic happens. But it's not really magic, it's really physics, quantum-based physics to be exact. And so, like when I'm showing you the sacred geometry, when I'm reading the violet flame decree, these are setting the tone, right? Like attracts like, light attracts light. So when you are, going through the motions and listening to what I'm saying to you, listening to these beautifully written violet flame decrees and looking at the sacred geometry, you are raising your vibration to match the frequency of whatever's to ensue within the body geometry. And the body geometry, again, so is really a true name for the topic. And if you know from the two or three IM product lines that I've created, that everything in existence has a true name. And that can come in the form of a spoken tone, some type of symbol, a color, an octave, a hand movement. And what I'm showing you really during these body geometries is the true name of that particular topic. So today, as we move through this, again, this is just gonna, blow your mind. You're gonna feel everything rise up. So in restoring hair, this was a difficult one, but it was very popular in the original series. So we're going to go back through it now. So go ahead and take a look at the sacred geometry. I'm going to read the violet flame decree for healing and restoration of your hair. I call upon the violet flame, the divine energy of transmutation and renewal. Surround my scalp, follicles, and every strand of hair with radiant violet light. Cleanse and release all blockages, stress, and imbalance that hinder growth. Transmute all patterns of loss, fear, disharmony into pure vitality. Infuse my hair with strength, nourishment, and the life force energy. Awaken dormant follicles, activating their natural regenerative power. Restore the flow of nutrients, circulation, and cellular rejuvenation. Let each strand be renewed, reflecting my body's divine blueprint of wholeness. I align with the energy of growth and flourishing health. My hair is vibrant, full, thriving in a natural essence. The violet flame continues to work in every cell and root, bringing forth the perfect manifestation of healing and renewal. And so it is. How'd you guys like that one? So now for the body geometry. Again, this is the true name. Now we're about to take all of that energy and match the frequency of it. So you're gonna go back straight, elbows down, palms facing out. We're going to bring our hands together at around the tip of our nose, and we're going to create that classic V. As soon as we create the V, there is a spiraling vortex of energy that spins up. Some of you may be able to feel it, see it, smell it. From here, you're going to breathe through your mouth 3 times, exhale through your nose. From here, we're going to close our hands. We're going to bring them down like this, and we're going to push out our thumbs and our pinkies. And from here, you're going to slowly roll out your middle finger. So this is what the body geometry looks like when it's fully enveloped. Now, on the in-breath, I want you to feel that energy going to every part of your scalp. Your scalp might get itchy. Regrowing new hair can be itchy. It feels amazing. And on the exhale, you feel the garbage leaving. Very important to visualize as you're going through these things. And again, folks, these reflections are like muscles. The more you use them, the stronger you get. So, tweak it, use it 3, 4, 5 times a day. Give a like, leave a comment, and let me know how you're doing. And if you want me to do body geometries in the future, get a hold of me at the moderndaymystic.com website and use the contact at the bottom, and I will bump that up to the top of the list. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.